Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Gretchko Elementary School in West Bloomfield Township, Michigan, part of the West Bloomfield School District. And this is my second visit to their campus. Got to interact with grades 1 through 5 today, 2 separate assemblies. And it really was focusing on greatness and really trying to be our best self, like this display that you see in one of their hallways. And the focus, was on positivity, perseverance, so not giving up, always knowing that the opposite of success is not failure, it's quitting, right? We can fail again and again and again, but if we stop trying, then we have no chance, right? And true excellence ends up being that it's not about being the best. Don't always have to get first place or win the race or get 100%. You just gotta try your hardest, right? That it's about doing your best. And knowing that we have the effort, not always the outcome, but if we give the effort, usually 9 times out of 10, 10 times out of 10, we're gonna get the result that we want, right? And there's a lot of pin drop moments throughout both presentations today where the students really did take some of this to heart, right? And they were really focusing on trying to understand that we need to be kind to our mind as well. Because whatever you tell your brain and your heart, it's gonna believe. We don't wanna tell it something negative. We wanna focus on something more positive, right? Replace any negative thoughts we might have with positive ones and start to see how that empowers our life, right? Because the more that you say it, the more that you start to believe it. And then you can also go out and be that light to other people, right? So we also focus on this concept in every assembly that I do because it's so important. But all of us with the lines on our hand have the letter M. I traced one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it. We have at least one in each hand. That M stands for miracle. Upside down W stands for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we buy into that concept, right, hopefully we're gonna help others start to see this as well. Because we know that part of doing our best is also encouraging others, right? And we do it the right way with the right amount of energy and passion and enthusiasm. And the more that we, help others too, it kind of helps us as well. And the person we're going to speak to the most in our life is ourselves. So of course we want to make sure that it's something very, very positive. And knowing that we always have this opportunity to give a little bit more, right? We can always try our hardest. We can always, hopefully, step into our true potential. And we do that by, first really starting to focus on what's important, and that's helping others, but it's also believing in ourselves. And so that was a beautiful thing, just to see, through the different heartfelt stories, the positive music, trying to plant great seeds or positive thoughts, and here, the inspirational videos, all of that combined was really, trying to imprint on their hearts this idea of positivity each and every day, that no matter what we're going to go through or have gone through, currently going through, we can still choose a positive attitude. And that's why I also wear this shirt for this particular assembly. It says, keep your head up. The words are upside down on purpose. So if you're feeling down or sad, it's a reminder to keep your head up, right? To always think positive no matter what. And we know the storms are going to come. Sometimes they have to come for the rainbows to appear, right? But, they can make us stronger if we let them. Some of these moments in our life where it's not going to be the easiest, it's going to be difficult. It's opportunities for us to grow, right? To get out of that comfort zone and to start forming newer and healthier habits, right? And that's what we really tried to pinpoint and, again, hammer home this idea of a growth mindset, a growth mentality, that we're always trying to improve each and every day. And that's how we can be the best version of ourselves. So thanks, touch my heart. Great to see all of you again. Hope to be back again in the near future. Until then, have a great rest of this school year. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.